Hello, crafty friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing box number 11 from Your Paper Insider. This box is filled with a beautifully curated collection of premium quality papers, each offering unique textures and finishes. Featuring a soft color inspired palette of blues, yellows, and purples, it brings a calm yet inspiring feeling, perfect for fueling your creativity. Inside, you'll find a mix of solid colored cardstocks, lightweight translucent sheets, glitter cardstocks, and much more. I'll be walking you through each paper individually and sharing a few details about what makes each one so special. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Let's dive in and see what's inside this box. Well, each box comes with an information sheet that lists all the papers that are included in the box, along with the names, sizes, and weight of each of those papers. This actually is very helpful for card makers like me, making it easy to reference and link the exact papers that I use in my projects. Well, we also have a little surprise, a cute I Heart paper pin from ETC Papers. They specialize in sourcing and creating unique specialty papers, including their well known glitter paper. It's always such a treat to find little surprises tucked in your kit, don't you think? Well, now let's get to the exciting part, that is going through each of these beautiful papers one by one. Let's kick things off with some gorgeous shades of purples and lavenders. First up is the Lavender Glitter Gloss, which is a no shed glittery paper with a beautiful glossy finish. I love using papers like these for adding small accents or strips on my cards, and they are perfect for die cut sentiments too. Next up is the Blush Burlap Mosaic paper. This is a 100-pound cardstock, and if you take a closer look, you'll see that it has a gorgeous textured finish to it. It's not a solid color cardstock. Following that, we have the Luster Diamond Glitter paper, which, well, is a returning favorite and it's easy to see why. Just take a look at the shine on that paper, and well, that's a no shed glitter there. Next, we have a very lightweight 81 GSM paper, though I'm pretty sure I might be mispronouncing the name. It's called Rose Edo Cosm and features a lovely floral pattern throughout. Then there is the 70 GSM pink floral Sukashi paper. It is also incredibly lightweight with a delicate floral design. While it may appear white on camera, in person it has the softest hint of pink to it. Next, we have the 80-pound cotton candy pop tone cardstock, and I absolutely love the soft and cheerful color on it. Next, we have the white Thai unru paper, which is a delicate yet strong paper which is recognized for its long flowing kozo fibers that produce a beautifully textured and organic appearance. It's extremely lightweight and highly translucent. Well, this one definitely has to be one of my favorites. The 300 GSM Plum Non-Shed Glitter Cardstock. Just look at the shine and sparkle on it. Up next is the Lilac Favini Burano cardstock, which is a beautiful solid lilac shade. Next up is the Vanilla Pearl Cosmo Odeon paper, another returning favorite. It has a stunning, elegant shimmer that catches the light beautifully. Following that, we have another Thai Unru paper, this time in a soft lavender shade. You can really see the difference when compared to the white version. There's a subtle hint of lavender which adds a lovely touch of color to this paper. It would pair beautifully with all the purples and the lavender tones we've looked at so far. Moving on from the purples and lavenders, let's take a look at some stunning grays and holographic cardstock. First up, we have the wrought iron gray Enviro Raw, which is a 130-pound, really heavyweight cardstock that's ideal for creating sturdy card bases. Next is the silver holographic double pillars cardstock. As the name suggests, it creates a beautiful holographic pillar effect when tilted in the light. Just look at how mesmerizing that shine looks. Next, we have the 100-pound ultra wide smooth cardstock. The texture on this is incredibly soft and smooth with virtually no grain to it. Following that is a silver luster Cadillac cardstock, which is more of a matte silver finish, offering a sleek and subtle metallic look. Moving into the blues, we will start with this deep blue Roush, an 80-pound cardstock with a rich, intense blue tone. Well, somewhat, I feel like a lighter shade of a navy blue. Next is our third Thai Unuru paper, this time in a soft pale blue. Just look at those delicate light blue fibers woven throughout. Absolutely beautiful. Next up, we have the stunning malachite metallic star dream cardstock. It has a lovely shine that catches the light when tilted. More of a luminous, reflective finish than a high gloss. Well, if you know what I mean. Following that, we have a 330 GSM white linen acryl art board paper, a beautifully soft white paper with a subtle, elegant sheen to it. Now, let's move on to some vibrant green tones. Similar to the dark blue malachite metallic star dream, we have the fairway metallic star dream paper, which is a gorgeous green shade with that same eye catching shiny finish. Next, we have a very unique specialty paper, which is this 300 GSM coffee cover reflex paper. A fun fact about this paper is that it is made using 5% coffee roasting waste, specifically the silver skin, which is the delicate layer that peels off from the coffee beans during roasting. Normally, this byproduct is discarded or incinerated, but in this case, it found a second life when a local coffee roaster asked if it could be repurposed into paper. With coffee still on mind, let's explore a few more brown tone papers. First up is the Savannah Tindalo Gamon paper, a lovely rich brown reminiscent of a craft cardstock with a refined twist. Next is the stunning champagne foil cardstock, absolutely perfect for die cutting sentiments and definitely one that I'll be reaching out often. Now, shifting into some warm tones, first up is this 290 GSM Mai Tai Cocktail Shimmer Cardstock, a stunning vibrant yellow that's completely new to me. I have never come across a shade quite like this before, and isn't it absolutely gorgeous? Next, we have the Mist Color Plan, a very soft shade with just the faintest hint of yellow. Following that is the Buttercream Arturo Cover Cardstock, a lovely deep cream, or you could say a soft light yellow. Either way, it's a beautifully warm and elegant tone. Here's another fun specialty paper, the Yellow Custard Rayon Sheepo paper weighing 118 GSM. I absolutely love the fine geometric pattern it features. Finally, we have the last sheet in our box, which is the White Cherry Kozo number 5 paper with a weight of 62 GSM. So, well, here's another look at all the vibrant and absolutely stunning papers included in the current subscription box from Your Paper Insider. This was box number 11 with so many beautiful papers and cardstock. I can't wait to start incorporating them into my cards. This box is currently only available through subscription, but if you'd like to try one of their previous boxes, there are still a few left, though they also are selling out fast. Well, I would say subscribing is the only way to guarantee that you'll receive a box. With the cool blues, purples, and soft yellows, these papers are perfect for creating cards and projects throughout summer. Please note that Your Paper Insider is not a monthly subscription but a quarterly service. So when you subscribe, you'll receive one beautiful box of cardstock every 3 months. Let me know in the comments below which cardstock from this collection is your favorite. I'll also be sharing a link to my Instagram profile where I'll post cards and other projects that I create using these papers. Thank you all for being here today, and don't forget to check the description box below for links to Your Paper Insider and the subscription box. Please note that all the links there are affiliate links, which means that if you shop using one of my links, I get a small commission at no cost to you guys. I'd also really appreciate if you could take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you're notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment below if you have any ideas or suggestions. And if you'd like to share your projects, please tag me on my Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that as well in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.